The Logistics Waterfall Routing Guide is a complete routing guide for your truckload and LTL traffic. Utilizing Google Maps, the system will provide a waterfall routing sequence based on the data input for the lane. Let's take a quick look at one of the lanes. So if we enter our origin, the system will display the origin point, and we enter our destination. I'm just going to do a simple example for now. And the system will display the destination point, and we hit go. The system will come back with the waterfall routing for that lane, i.e. it will show the full list of carriers that have rates for that lane and the sequence in which those carriers would need to see the load or be called. It provides contact information for the carrier and provides the rates. Sitting behind the Waterfall routing guide is a complete and complex rating engine. Let's take a quick look at rate maintenance. The rating engine can be set to utilize different unit of measures. So we have CWT, fixed, miles, ton, and different equipment types. Rates may be entered as point to point, point to county, point to state, or point to 3 or 5 digit zip. A point is defined as a city, state, zip code, and county, or any one of those components. If a query returns multiple rates for a carrier, for example, if there are specific point-to-point rate and a county rate, the system will only display the more specific rate. Rates can have a maximum and minimum weight. Thus, you may easily segregate LTL and truckload or fixed truck versus a tractor trailer. The system displays carriers in waterfall sequence. However, instead of a rate or minimum rate, you may also enter a rate tier. A rate tier tells the system specifically what sequence the carriers should be shown within a lane. The rate maintenance screen provides a quick and easy access to rates via the search feature. If we have an autocomplete on the carriers, we can do a quick search on rates returned for that carrier. However, let's take a quick look at how the system deals with the rates out of Florida. So we're going to take a look at how the system manages these rates out of Florida. If we look at the lane specifically from Miami to Stewart, we can see the lane from Miami to Stewart for Kensington Trucking. Kensington Trucking has two rates, one a less than 20,000 pound rate and one a greater than 20,000 pound rate. So if we look at Miami to Stewart, we can see in this case with a load that's 18,000 pounds, the system returned Kensington first using the Kensington less than 20,000 pound rate with $225, $1.63 a mile, but 225 minimum, and Aetna second, which was utilizing this rate here. If we change now the load to be a 30,000 pound load, we can see now the system has changed the rates and changed the order and put Aetna first. Aetna has one rate regardless of weight, and Kensington now has the higher dollar rate of $500 based on the weight. If we look at our system from Miami to Orlando, one thing to note here is the system generates miles off of Google. So once you hit go, it'll come back and tell you what the mileage is based on Google's. Obviously, these aren't truck safe miles, but they're a good general idea of what the mileage is from point to point. Here the system returned 3 rates, and those 3 rates are based on these 3 rates here are Miami to Orlando, and here we use rate tier to order the carrier list so that the waterfall list occurs in rate tier sequence. The Waterfall Routing Guide is offered at a low monthly fee and can be accessed via the SkyBlue Logistics portal, or we can work with your IT to provide access directly from your intranet. Screens are provided for carrier maintenance, rate maintenance, and user maintenance. Initial loading of rates and carriers can be performed via spreadsheet or CSV upload. Contact us today for a free 7-day trial of the portal. You can reach us at 561-312-8040 or email info@skybluelogistics.com, or follow the link on our website at skybluelogistics.com.